Hey guys, welcome to OMG. So today I'll be introducing you to an awesome website where you can actually earn a lot of money by monetizing your blog for free and also advertising it for free and no upfront cost and no investment. You don't have to actually search for a lot of people and websites to collaborate with your website and show your content on their website. You don't have to do anything. Follow the simple instructions that I am going to share with you and start earning a lot of money. You don't have to do any research, you don't have to waste your time by emailing a lot of people to collaborate with you. So this is a simple website you can just start off instantly. So the website I'm going to introduce you is Admantic. Admantic is an advertiser platform which will make people to advertise their content around the internet. So as we are a publisher, just start off by signing in, create your account, complete your profile and everything, and after completion you just have to start off by publishing your website. So how you have to just paste your URL, follow some simple steps, and then you can make a lot of profit from this website. As you can see on the screen, have you ever saw these type of ads rolling in others website, like especially in news websites you will be able to see some kind of ads like this, where you will be redirected to a blog post. So this Admantic will make your blog look like that website, like a news website, where you'll be having at the bottom of the page with many other blog URLs, and that will be redirected to someone else's blog. So by this, whenever a person, whenever someone is reading your blog is redirected to someone else's blog, you will be earning money for CPM rate, CPM, click-through rate and everything. So like that you will be getting money by monetizing your blog. And another way you can actually advertise your blog for free, like you have an option to save your profile as a publisher as well as an advertiser. So as an advertiser, you will be advertising your blog URL throughout the internet. So whoever is signing as a publisher in this website will be getting your URL randomly in their website blogs. So by that, the traffic coming into their website will also be coming into yours by clicking through the ads posted on the blogs. As a publisher, you don't have to pay anything, but when you are an advertiser, when you are advertising your blog, you will be paying only when someone clicks your link from other websites. So only when you get clicks, you will have to pay. You can actually set up a target amount for a whole amount of clicks you are going to get. So that will be totally different for advertiser. For publisher, to monetize your blog, I'll be giving you simple tips to get started. So if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now starting off with this publisher, I'll be telling you how to get started off easily as a publisher. So these are all the tabs available in your dashboard, where you can see what all active websites you have. And active websites are websites of yours which are got approved from their website, from Admantic. Approved websites will be shown in the active, and whichever is having ads currently now. So you have to create a site, click on to create a site, paste your site URL, and if you have any other URL, you can paste it in the below box and select the category of your blog, like it can be pets and animal, food, or whatever, electronics, technology, anything. Just choose it, and site analysis will be given. Fill up the basic information and then click approve. And the report tabs, you will be getting your report, like how many clicks you have got and how much you have earned from that. So everything will be in the reports tab. So this is how you have to get started as a publisher. So how often you will be getting payout is that as first payout will be after 15 days, but when you are going on for the next payouts and all, you will be getting it every week through PayPal. You can edit however you want your ads to be, like the blog size, number of ads, and color, font, everything you can edit. So I think this is also a great option to earn money by monetizing your blog, a best alternative for AdSense. So comment it below if you have any doubts. That's all for now. Thank you and bye.